Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making some sausage and prawn spaghetti stir fry. So yeah, for my ingredients I have my sausages, I have my prawns, I have my bell peppers, the red, the green and the yellow red bell pepper, and I also have my chopped onions and garlic. So let's just get right into the video. I'm going to use my Italian seasoning, my garlic seasoning, and my seasonings as well. I'm just going to season my prawns slightly. So I'm just going to mix this up properly and ensure that all the prawns are properly coated with the seasoning I am using. So once we're done, then we'll fry this up a bit. So now I'm just going to add some vegetable oils, and I'm just going to add my prawn and fry it a little bit. Do I call it prawn or do I call it shrimp? Whichever one, guys. So I'm just going to fry it a bit, and once I'm done, we'll then start making our sauce for our sausage and prawn spaghetti stir fry. So guys, my prawn is ready now. I'm just going to take them out, and once I'm done taking this out, I will also slightly fry my chopped sausages. Yes, so I'll just slightly fry that before we get into making our sauce. So now guys, I'm just adding my chopped sausages, and I'm just going to fry it for about a minute until it's slightly brownish in color, and once that is done, we will then get into making our sauce. Now guys, we're done frying our sausages. Now I'll just add my chopped onion and garlic into the vegetable oil I use in frying the prawn and the sausage. So guys, you notice I didn't change it, so I'll just let it fry for about 2 minutes until it's soft and I can perceive the onion. Then I'll add my yellow bell pepper, my red bell pepper. I will also add that as well, and also my green bell pepper. I'll add that as well, stir fry it for about 2 minutes, and once that is done, I will introduce the next ingredient. So now guys, I'm going to add my Scotch bonnet pepper, chopped Scotch bonnet pepper, and then we'll stir fry it for about a minute. And then while this is frying, I'm just going to mix up my soy sauce and the other ingredients. So I'm just going to mix my soy sauce. I'm adding a little in a bowl, and after that I will also add my oyster sauce as well, and I will mix this together properly. Yes, so I'll mix it together properly, and then I will transfer it into our stir fry, which is still on the fire. So our sauce, which is still on the fire. So now the sauce is ready. I'm just going to add my already fried sausages, and I will add my soy sauce and oyster sauce mixed, And I'll also add my seasoning. I'm using some seasoning, Italian seasoning, and also chicken seasoning as well. I'm just going to stir fry this for a bit. And yeah, while this is frying, I already have my pasta. While this is frying, I'll just get ready to put my pasta on the fire. So now guys, I'm just adding some salt and I will put my pasta in. If you notice, I'm using a whole lot of water. So yeah, this is how you get your pasta to be non-sticky at all. So I'm just going to cover this up, and I didn't add any oil anyways, and let it cook. So yeah, so now our pasta seems to be ready. It's cooked already. You can see it is soft to my preference. So I will drain that and transfer the pasta into our sauce. So once I transfer the pasta into our sauce, I'm just going to stir this pasta properly. At some point, guys, I had to change the pot because the pan I was using was a little small. So I just added my fried prawns. I'm adding some sesame oil, and I'm just going to stir fry this as well. I'll stir fry for about 30 seconds, and yeah, our prawn and sausage pasta is ready. Our stir fried pasta is ready, guys. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment down below, share this video with your friends and family, and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.